Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear fourth class students, today discuss about capacity. So, he need to have to discuss today addition and subtraction of capacity. From your course book, page number 61. From your course book, page number 61. Everybody open. This is your course book. Okay, page number 61. See here, the consumption of water in Roy's family for one day is as shown. What is the total consumption of water per day? See here, purpose and amount given data in your book. So purpose here, drinking, amount of water in liters, that is drinking. For drinking you have to use 20 liters of water. Next, cooking, 12 liters of water. Next, washing clothes, 18 liters of water. Next, cleaning vessels, 10 liters of water. Next, bathing here, 24 liters of water. Next, watering plants, this is the purpose. Watering plants, 30 liters of water. Next, other 40 liters of water. See here, what is the question? What is the total consumption of water per day? See here, first you can write the given data. So solution. See, according to our book, 20 liters. So you can add the total amount of water, you will get answer. 20 liters plus 12 liters plus 18 liters plus 10 liters plus 24 liters plus 30 liters plus 40 liters is the total consumption. See, now you can write here the total quantity of water. The total quantity of water, that is equals to, you can write 20 liters plus 12 liters plus 18 liters plus 10 liters plus 24 liters plus 30 liters plus 40 liters. Then you can add it. See here, this is the liters. 20, 12, 18, 10, 24, 30, 40. See here, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 4 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. So here you can write. So a total of 154 liters of water is needed for Rice family. In one day or in a day. Now next one is, a water tanker holds 5000 liters of water. It has filled 2000 liters of water in the water tank at Rajni's house. Next, then it went to another house and filled their water tank with the remaining water. So how many liters of water was filled in the second house? See, everybody listen carefully. Solution. The quantity of water in the tank. So 5000 liters of water. Now here write down the total amount of water in the tanker, means the capacity of water tank. The capacity of water tanker. So the capacity of water tanker, that is 5000 liters. 5000 liters is filled in the water tanker. So you can write here total amount of water in the tanker. That is equals to 5000 liters. Next, amount of water filled in Rajni's water tank. So how much? 2000 liters of water. Here write down amount of water filled in Rajni's water tank. That is equals to 2000 liters of water. Next, remaining water in the tank. What do I have to do? Remaining water in the tanker. That is equals to 5000 liters minus 2000 liters, you can get 3000 liters. So the amount of water filled in the second, filled in the water tank of second house, that is equals to 3000 liters. Now next page number 62, let us learn how to add and subtract capacity in liters and milliliters. So this is very easy, beta. Liters and milliliters. So first one is 2 liter 350 milliliter plus 3 liter 480 milliliter. First the given information, means given values, write down in column wise. Okay, see here. See now here 2 liters 350 milliliters. Next 3 liters 480 milliliter. See, first we add, this is milliliters. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 8, 13, 3 taking 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8 beta. Next 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 liters, 830 milliliter. This is the sum. Now next, second one is 4 liter 630 milliliter minus 3 liter 520 milliliter. The given data means the given problem write down in column wise. Here 4 liter 630 milliliter, next 3 minus 3 liter 520 milliliter. 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 2, 1, 6 minus 5, 1, 4 minus 3, 1. So 1 liter 110 milliliter. This is the difference. Now next word problems. Rajesh has a milk can. Rajesh has a milk can which can hold 20 liter 550 milliliters of milk. The capacity of can that is equals to 20 liter 550 milliliters of milk. Satish has a milk can which can hold 15 liters and 960 milliliters of milk. Both of them emptied their cans into a bigger vessel. See here, both of them emptied their cans into bigger vessel. See here, how much milk is there in the bigger vessel now? Bigger vessel means bigger can. So vessel means here thing. Now to calculate the quantity of milk in the bigger vessel, we should add both the quantities. So you can add both the quantities. First one is 20 liter 550 milliliter. Second one is 15 liter 960 milliliter. You can get the total quantity of milk in the bigger vessel. See here. Look at the blackboard, everybody. So solution, to calculate we should add both the quantities. See the quantity of first can 20 liter 550 milliliter. See Nana, once again, to calculate the quantity of milk in the bigger vessel, we should add both the quantities. Means the capacity of first can that is equals to 20 liters 550 milliliters of milk. The quantity of second liter of second can that is equals to 15 liters 960 milliliters of milk. Then add it beta, very simple. So 20 liters 550 milliliters Next 15 liters, 960 milliliters. Then add it here. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 taking, 1 carrying. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. See here 5. Carrying 1. Now next 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 1, you can get 3. 36 liters and 510 milliliters. So you can write liters and milliliters in column wise. So second method is here liters, milliliters. Then you can write it here 20 liter, 550 milliliter, 15 liter, 960 milliliter. See here 0 plus 0, 0, 6, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 taking 1 carrying, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 5 taking 1 carrying, 1 plus 0, 1 here 6, 2 plus 1 you can get 3. See here 36 liters and 510 milliliters. Then you can write the quantity of a bigger vessel. Thirty-six liters, 510 milliliters of milk. Now next one, Sohan bought a 1 liter of Maza bottle. He measured and gave 260 milliliters to his brother and 340 milliliter to his sister. See here, Sohan bought 1 liter of Maza bottle. Then he measured and give 260 milliliters of Maza to his brother and 340 milliliters of Maza to his sister. He drank the remaining Maza. Now, how much did he give to his brother and sister together? How much did Sohan drink himself? Who among the three consumed more Maza? See, listen carefully. So, first we add, next subtract. See here. Did you understand the problem? So first add, that is 260 milliliter, 340 milliliter. 260 milliliter of Maza to give to his brother and 340 milliliters of Maza give to his sister for drinking. See here. Zero, 6 plus 14, 0 taking 1 carrying 6. So 600 milliliters. Quantity given equals to 600 milliliters of Maza. Next, quantity leftover drink. That is equals to 1000 milliliters minus 600 milliliters. 0 0 10 10 minus 6 4. Okay, now next write down. So Sohan drank 400 milliliters of maza. Is 400 is greater than 340 is greater than 260. According to our problem, Sohan drank more maza than others. Than the others. Now next activity book. So activity book beta, page number 41, everybody open. See here, everybody look at the cam. Activity book, page number 41. See here, which is heavier tickets? So first one is now here, which is heavier ticket? Page number 41 from your activity book. So weighing here, jackfruit and coconut. So jackfruit is more weight than coconut, so you can take it like this only. Now next one, balloon and ball. Ball is more weight. Next here two toys given, one is dog, another one is rabbit, dog. Next one, cell phone and telephone. Telephone is more weight than cell phone. Next here toys, jeep and cycle, jeep. Here money and gold, money. Now next one is how many more grams or kilograms are needed to balance the weight here. 1850 grams. So the weighing objects 1 kg 500 grams. Listen carefully, this is very very important. So quantity of oil, that is like honey, here 1850 grams. Now here the weighing objects 1 kg 500 grams. See here 1 kg 500 grams means 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. 1000 plus 500 you can get 1500 grams. So you can balance. How much you can need more? So 1500 grams is subtracted from 1850 grams, you can get answer. See here 1850 minus 1500 grams. See here 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 8 minus 5 you can get 3, 1 minus 1, 0. So you need more 350 grams. So you can write here 350 grams. Next to 5 kg, here you can give only the weighing objects 1 kg, more 4 kg. Next here sugar 15 kg, then you can here 5 kg, means 15 minus 5 you can get 10 kg need. Now next here 4 kg, now 1 kg 500 grams. So remaining 4 kg means 4000 grams, 1 kg 500, 1500 grams. So then 0, 0, 10, 10 minus 5, 5 cut it, 3, 3 minus 1. So you need 2 kg 500 grams. You can write here next here 2 kg 50 gram, 100 gram, 500 gram, 200 gram, 0, 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 850. See here 2 kg means 2000 grams minus 850 grams. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 5 not possible, take borrowing, 10, 9, 1. See here, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 8, 1, 1. So, 1 kg 150 grams need. You can write it here. 1 kg 150 grams. Next here 25 kg. 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 5 kg. See 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 13 kg. Then 25 kg minus 13 kg, you can get 5 minus 3, 2, 2 minus 1, 12 kg. You need more 12 kg. Then you can write here 12 kg. Okay, today our class is completed. Thank you everybody.